to judge when he's going to throw that changeup as opposed to a 96-mile-an-hour heater.
Eduardo tomahawks one deep to center. Lagares is at the wall, and he's got it.
Coach Andy Lopez. Ref Snyder testing this ballpark. He drives it into right center field. Up against that wall. Plenty of room for Lagares.
0-1. Bogart sends a ball well hit out to right center field. Lagares leaps and brings it back. He saved a two-run dinger.
Maria ready, 2-1 pitch. Fly ball right field. Lagares in toward the line and makes the catch in fair territory.
Had to lob it over Jonathan Davis's head. And that ball is going to be caught by Lagares, the center fielder.
And good luck the rest of the way tonight. We appreciate the visit.
Thanks, Matty. Take care, Matt. Catch the God damn.
2-1 pitch lined out.
If he does put it together, then instead of having a utility player or a bench player, you might have an all-star. Who knows?
Holt sinking liner grabbed by Lagares in left field.
Here comes the 1-2. A line drives to center field. That is caught by Lagares.
He is set up behind the plate on certain pitches.
Kelnick. Lagares. And
Adolis Garcia, dangerous hitter, 29 home runs. He swings at the first pitch. Juan Lagares is there. It's out number 1. And we have the Mosquito on his way to third. He tags, he makes it. Good aggressive base run.
He looked at me and he kind of looked at me, you know, and didn't say anything.
Lagares, a little bit of a late jump, and look at that. That's a Gold Glover on display right there, Goubion.
Yeah, wrapped him around the baseball. He could do things that most people can't with a ball. Christian Arroyo sprays a drive out to center field. Backs up Lagares for route number 1.
So let's take a look at Shohei.
0-1. Bogart sends a ball well hit out to right center field. Lagares leaps and brings it back. He saved a two-run dinger.
take away the base hit. Nothing makes a hit.
Lifts it to left center field, hit well. Back goes Lagares to the track. Near the wall, leaping to make the grab right at the orange line. That once in a while against some of the best. Weed doesn't get all of it. Over comes Lagares to make the diving catch. That ball was fading fast, and Lagares streaking across the outfield. That making the play on Weed. That was Jason Lagares 2014. Celebrating his 33rd birthday, and Hardy hits one out to left center field. A long run for Lagares, deep in the gap, and he makes a brilliant catch. And back to first goes Clevenger. Like Juan Lagares of 2014, he ran halfway across the universe to catch this ball.
Well, this was big trouble. He ran a long way. Nice catch. This has double RBI double written all over it.
I mean, look where he started.
Yep, way over in right center. Top of your screen. There you go. That's a saver.
Lions wanted to center field. The base hit. Solano's going to try and score. Here comes the throw by Lagares.
Playing most of the season.
Line into left center, and the Braves have their first hit. Chased down to by Lagares. Simmons is going to try for two, challenging Lagares. Murphy with the tag. He got him. Another notch on the belt for Juan Lagares as he guns down Simmons for the second out.
Well, watch him throw the ball. He on the just a spin here. Doesn't plant. Just a quick plant and throw. That is a terrific play, and I believe that is his 11th outfield assist. Yes.
1-2. And Lobaton cranks one deep right center field, and Lagares diving makes the catch. A run will score. Franzen goes to third. Add it to the highlight reel.
It's every day, it seems. I have not seen a young man catch balls and get to balls like this guy. Nice play.
He came out of nowhere. When that left the bat, that was absolutely a double.
I'm talking about everybody. I'm talking about power hitters. Slap hitters doesn't matter.
Odor with a base hit into left center. Pena around third, heading home. Throw to the plate, the tag by Darno, and Pena is out. An assist for Lagares. The tag by Darno. Inning comes to an end. Pena attempting to score on the Odor base hit.
It's been fun watching him. It'll be interesting to see him get through the eighth.
Josh Harrison leads off, hits one deep to center, turning around Lagares. He gets there and runs it down. Well, they turned the wrong way, made the adjustment, and still made it look easy.
You know what's interesting for great outfielders, and I include him in this, is that once he goes after this ball, he knows he's turned the wrong way, but he doesn't panic. He turns the right way as soon as he gets his feet the right way, and then makes the play.
He is special.
It's two great plays now. Due to the last inning to start it off with an unassisted play at first base, and now the line drive to center field.
Harrison, judicious use of the bullpen, is in order. Line drive, base hit. Charged by Lagares. Here comes Ross around third. The throw to the plate by Lagares on a hop. Buck with the tag. He's out! Lagares guns down Ross to keep the game tied. The 10th outfield assist of the season for Juan Lagares. A one-hop strike.
He's got the strong arm, right on target.
Can't do it any better than that. Buck gets the tag down, and the Mets escape the bottom of the fifth with a 1-1 tie. And Worth hits it dead center field. Lagares back to the warning track near the wall, leaping, and he made the catch. What a play! Lagares taking a home run away from Worth. Worth stole a home run last night. Lagares returns the favor. What a spectacular catch by Juan Lagares.
This is not the half of it, folks, right there in the replay. It's him. The amount of distance he had to run to get there. He is something else. What a glove.
That was George Foster as a rookie scoring the winning run in the league championship series against the Pirates as Ludwig hits one up the middle for a base hit. Shue is going to be waved home. Here's the throw by Lagares on a hop, and d'Arnaud puts on the tag, and he is out at the plate. Lagares gets another notch on his belt. Looked like Mark Berry, the third base coach, was trying to hold Shue for a moment, but Shue tries to score on Lagares, and Lagares nails him.
Well, Big Juan knows, most importantly, the accuracy of the throw, the one hop, easy for the catcher, but never misses the cutoff man. And that's also critical. Ludwig can't advance, or Phillips cannot advance on a throw. Second to be runners on second and third. If the hit overthrows the cutoff man, those are the little things that win you ball games.
And d'Arnaud completely taking the plate away from Shue today. 2 hits, 2 walks. Hitting a .309 for the year. Slams one to deep right center field. Racing back Lagares near the wall, and he makes the catch right up against the fence. Lagares knew exactly how much room he had, used the entire ballpark right up to the orange line, and takes an extra base hit away from McCutchen to end the top of the first.
Now you're losing what? 5 straight going into playoffs.
Jeanette with the base hit, and they're going to send the runner. Lagares with the throw on a hop. Centeno makes the tag, side retired. 2 runners thrown out at the plate of the inning, one by Young, and now Lagares guns down Halton to end the inning. Centeno, a great job to go get it and put on the tag. 15 outfield assists for Juan Lagares, and that ends the inning.
A lot of fun with that one.
Into right center, that'll fall for a base hit. Lucroy is going to be waved home against Lagares, and the one-hop throw to Wecker, and he tags him out. Outfield assist number 14 for Juan Lagares. And a nice job by Wecker to make the reaching tag on Lucroy.